Sino kasama mo sa bahay? I mean, kids have started to go.
To
di
go.
ba? Ang
Now,
tawag nila ngayon ay empty nesting, although Yuan's still in the house.
Yuan is still in the house. So si Yuan, but he works every day.
Right.
He works at night. So sa araw, tulog siya. Di ba? So nakikita ko lang siya very briefly.
Right.
Before he goes to work. Minsan, nakakasabay ko siya mag-lunch. And on weekends. Kasi weekends off siya.
Okay, because
At saka si Daddy.
Dad is with you at home. How nice. But that's for another longer conversation. Pero, how does it feel? Ito yung mga bata na kasama mo sa hapagkainan for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and suddenly, Moira is in another house, Ina, Kyla is living separately, independently. Ano yun? I mean, is this the reason why madalas ka magpa-makeup ngayon?
Hindi naman. I just realized, well, having said that, magkakasama kami one time. And then when I was on my way home, sabi ko, malalaki na talaga yung mga anak ko. I have so much time. I have so much time. Yun talaga yung iniisip ko. Tapos kino-compare ko, dati ba wala kang time? Hindi naman, may time din naman ako.
Pero,
it's just that I choose to stay home.
Okay. Right.
I choose to stay home kasi nandun yung mga kids. Maarte yung mga anak ko pagdating sa pagkain, so asikasuhin mo yung pagkain nila. Kailangan alam mo kung ano yung isuserve sa kanila. And you're there at home.
Right. Pero meron bang Sunday lunches? Meron bang, are you slowly...
I don't demand that,
You don't?
Tita Boy. I don't demand that because I know si Kyla, nag-aartista, we're in the same industry.
Right.
Ina's in the same industry. Si Moira's quite busy. I understand that they have lives of their own. And I don't want to burden them with a feeling na, naku, kailangan mag-lunch. Kailangan mag-lunch sa bahay. Ayokong isipin pa nila yon.
Oo. Right.
When they're free, when they're okay, kayo magsabi sa akin.
Sinong
Tsaka may pride ako. May pride ako. Aba, kung tawagin nyo.
Sinong pinakamalambing?
Iba-iba kasi sila ng lambing eh. Si Ina kasi, there was a time in our lives na medyo lagi kaming kontrapelo. And that was, I think, phase yun talaga na pinagdadaanan. Na nung una, syempre, I felt bad. Kino-question ko na yung pagiging nanay ko. Kasi, am I doing things wrong? Or, ano ba, masama ba akong ina? Nakikipakialamera ba ako? And when she started living separately, nakita ko yung change sa kanya.
For the better.
She became sweeter.
Oh.
She became nicer. So sabi ko siguro, even with Moira and Kyla, nagkaroon din kami ng time na parang, ano ba itong mga anak ko? Tinatanong ko lang naman kung saan sila pupunta. Not because I'm going there or I will stop them, but because I'm a parent, I need to know where you are. I don't care where you are. I just want to know where you are.
That's a mother.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yun lang naman. Tapos yung nagde-disagreements na kami or naiinis na ako kasi hindi sila naglilinis ng kwarto. Naiinis na ako kasi yung peanut butter, hindi nila masara yung takip mainggi. Or yung ilaw sa kwarto nila, lahat bukas. So, when they said that they were going to move out, initially parang, okay, malulungkot na ako. Mamimiss ko sila. I'm used to hovering. I'm used to hearing their laughter in the morning. Or I'm used to seeing them exercise.
Ano yung what's funny? Nasanay ka na rin mainis dahil nakabukas ang ilaw. Nasanay ka na rin dahil peanut butter nakabukas.
So, sanay na ako. So, okay, I think I'm going to be sad. But you know what? I realized after, I'm not as sad as I thought I would be.